Yes, go ahead.
So yeah, I have questions but are off topic.
Okay, that's our topic is off topic. Any topic is good. Yeah. That's our topic.
Yeah. So what happens if a Jew takes legal action against another Jew without going to a bed din first because he didn't know for one reason or another that this person was a Jew to begin with?
Mm-hmm. That's a good question. So in this case, he's innocent. If this sometimes so even a person is not religious, but sometimes you can get by his name, by his last name, like you can suspect that maybe he's Jewish. You understand? Even like it's not always true, but sometimes there's some last name that sounds very Jewish. You understand? So if you suspect that, so you should have checked. But if it was like a completely Greg Walker or something, okay. So this Greg Walker most likely non-Jew, so was not obligated to check. Understand? So he's innocent. So the only issue. So let me just explain to everybody what the issue is. So the issue is if one Jew takes another Jew without consulting Beis Din, without trying at least take the matter to Beis Din, he's considered to be informer, and he has no share in the world to come. No more, no less. So it is a very serious offense to be informed against another Jew, right? Especially if the government, and in addition to this, just inform, it's one issue. But in addition, if the government is the court would issue a ruling like not according to the Torah, so that's a second violation. So he would need to compensate this Jew that lost the case. Right, and the problem is, even if the law of the land is 100% as the law of the Torah, is still not allowed for one Jew to take another to court, because it minimizes the honor of the Torah. It's like we cannot decide the cases by ourselves. So all of the financial laws, all of the civil laws, we can judge in our Beis Din. Some criminal cases, of course, we cannot, but still it's proper to get permission from a judicial body, from a rabbis in order to go to civil court. Of course, I mean, if they not handle this issue, or if it's a life risk, so you're not obligated to go. So if you know there is a pedophile like on the street and he's unfortunately Jew, so you're allowed to inform the authorities right away. So because of danger to society, and the Jewish court is not going to do much. But otherwise, if it's financial issues or some civil court like divorce or something, no reason, no permission whatsoever. It has to go through the rabbis. And again, what it stakes life in the world to come. Simple. So he could be Shomer Shabbos, this and that, and maybe big Baal Tzedakah. But guess what? Because he took other Jews to court, he lost his share in the world to come. So we have to be very, very careful about it. Yes.